Sunday night. Selling out the sound, y'all. Come on. This is our first proper ticketed headlining show in the San Diego Del Mar region. And I can't believe you all showed up on the 7th. Now, like I said before, we've come a long way from home. It's really nice to meet you all. And I'd love to introduce us, and I'd love to start with the heartbeat of the band. A true lefty drummer back here, y'all, the pride of Atlanta, Georgia. There's no one on earth like him. Please put your hands together for our boy Julian Dorio on the drums. We love you, Julian. To my right, your left. The pride of Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, yo. On the electric bass, the upright bass, and the harmonica played very often at the same time. He can walk 500 miles, he can walk 500 more. Please put your hands together for Miles Berger on the bass. We love you, Miles. And last, but never least, the one and only, never lonely, still standing because he plays still standing. It's not a keyboard, ladies and gentlemen. He's getting way close to home. The pride of Yuma, Arizona, y'all. We love him, the whole world loves him. Please put your hands together for Scotty Murray on the steel guitar. His family is in the house. I would love to extend my love to them for creating this creature. And I am Stephen Wilson Jr., and I am my father's son. In case you can't tell, my guitars have scars. And those scars are covered up with masking tape. We use masking tape as band-aids in my household. And at this point, it's band-aid on top of band-aid on top of band-aid. I call it my patches. So if you got scars like my guitar, this one's for you.